Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing a simple and delicious low carb breakfast idea that is perfect to start off your day feeling full and energized. I'll be preparing arrowroots, sweet potatoes, sausages and a cup of tea. This breakfast is easy. It makes you feel full and perfect for anyone trying it later while still enjoying tasty food. If you're looking for healthy and affordable breakfast ideas, then this video is for you. Watch till the end and consider subscribing. First step, you start by peeling your arrowroots and sweet potatoes, and then you cut them into medium sizes or pieces, or cut them into pieces that you prefer, and then you wash them well, thoroughly wash them completely until they are clean. Rinse them as many times as you want, just make sure they are clean. And then you put them in a sufuria or pot. You add water that covers them, just enough water, and then salt to taste, and then you let them boil for like 20 to 30 minutes until they are ready. You can poke it, or you can like pierce it with a fork to just confirm they are soft, or just cook until they are soft. Drain the water, set them aside. And now it's time to fry the sausages. So I usually remove them into their packing bag or paper. You cut those strings that attach each other, like, yeah. And then I usually poke my sausages with a toothpick, just to not burst when I'm frying them. And then you heat your pan on a medium heat, and then you add cooking oil, and then you start frying your sausages until golden brown. Some people love when the sausages turn dark, but I love mine golden brown, and then they will be ready. And also some people boil their sausages first before frying them. For me, I don't. I just remove them in their paper, poke them, fry them, that's all. And they are so sweet. And guys, that's how I prepared my low carb breakfast. Very tasty. It keeps you full for hours. Actually, this is the best food when you're trying to shed weight, because this keeps you full for hours. You not need to eat a lot during the day. It's tasty. It doesn't have a lot of carbs. It's just perfect for breakfast. And yes, the best breakfast. I'm plugging you guys with the breakfast ideas. So guys, thank you guys for watching. I served mine with tea and that bun or scones. I'll shoot a different video on how I prepared my tea, because it's a process, a bit complicated. This one I just wanted to show you how I prepared my breakfast, the low carb breakfast, the arrow sweet potatoes and the sausages. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have liked this video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe for more amazing content. Like this video, share with your friends and families, and comment down below, will you try it or eat or pass? Thank you. Till next time. Bye bye.